Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you have noticed that your ability to hear dialogues and sounds has reduced perceptibly throughout the years, there is a good chance you are experiencing some kind of hearing loss. Hearing loss is normally caused not only by aging, but also by exposure to certain types of noise. This condition is more common than you think. It has been estimated that about 48% of Americans have significant hearing loss. But you don't have to sit around waiting to go deaf. The good news is that some natural ingredients can help prevent and even reverse hearing loss. Onions, for example, are considered to be a potent natural remedy for those who suffer from hearing loss. Their antioxidant properties have already been verified in one study and have proven to be beneficial in cases where there was a hearing loss due to atrial trauma from explosions and changes in air pressure. Another ingredient is garlic, which is considered by many people to be great for your ears. Some believe that garlic can help fight hearing loss by increasing blood flow and restoring cochlear health. A healthy cochlea is needed in order to transmit sound impulses to the brain for conversion. Here's a recipe that takes these two ingredients and is highly recommended for people who want to improve their hearing. Ingredients: a few garlic cloves, a tablespoon of olive oil, 15 milliliters of onion juice, gauze or cotton balls. Instructions: pour the olive oil in a glass, then squeeze the garlic cloves to extract their juice. Mix the garlic juice with the onion juice and olive oil in the glass. You can make the onion juice using a juicer or food processor. It's recommended that you pour 3 to 4 drops of this solution into each ear using an eyedropper. After applying, cover each ear with gauze or a cotton ball. It's important to remember that this recipe is not a surefire solution for all types of hearing loss. In more advanced cases, it's best to go see a specialist. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.